Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie a slipped sheet bend. The slip knot is intended to provide a quick disconnection when needed. This particular knot is used for connecting two ropes and can be used in applications such as sailing, camping, and even general purposes. Create a bight on the one rope. Feed the opposite working end of the other rope through the bight. Loop under and then wrap back. Feed the working end under the section through the bight. Now take the working end and pull it back through, which will create a bight. Tighten and then dress. This knot is recommended for tying ropes of different diameters. If ropes of unequal size are used, the larger diameter rope is to be used for the bight. This type of knot cannot be used in high-stress situations. And as a demonstration of how the slip knot works. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.